Well, this is a Yamaha V Star custom. It's a bobber. This here is an 02. Has the baffles removed on the exhaust. Intake on it. It has a Dynajet kit for the carbs that just recently got redone. Has brand new Dunlop tires in the front and the rear. HID headlight. A little touch of custom stuff. It has the custom grips, custom mirrors, the skulls there. It is black and it does have the white is wrapped. Custom seat. It has custom underglow green lighting. You see those tires are pretty much brand new. Let's see here. Start this thing up. Go to neutral. Kind of cold. Sounds really good. There's a little dent on the tank from, we didn't relocate these, little dent there. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. Wrap is brand new. It does have 23,000 miles. I do ride a lot. Outlets to charge your phone or heated gear. Part of the paint here is chipped. LED brake lights. But it is a great bike. You have floorboards too. And the only reason I'm selling it is I just got another bike. I still ride this one though. It's actually out today. Thank you.